So, as I've been speaking to many agents from all over the country, one common problem that I see is audience building done wrong. What do I mean by that? The majority of agents actually build their LinkedIn audience and sometimes even their Facebook audience with only their peers. Well, the problem is you can't sell what you're trying to sell to your peers. You're looking to connect with consumers. So I'm going to show you a really cool audience building hack with a fantastic tool that I found. There is a 14-day free license. After that, it's $15 a month, but it is actually really, really powerful. And in just a few days, it's actually increased the views of my LinkedIn profile by over 400% and increased views on the posts that I've put as well. So it's working beautifully. And let me show you kind of how it works, right? So there's several different features with this. So what you do is you download this and you put it on your Chrome browser. So what you're going to see right here is your linked helper up here in your Chrome browser. The next thing that you're going to be able to do is select a function. So this is going to allow you to auto visit profiles, auto follow popular accounts, collect and invite second and third contacts, which is a great way to build your network very strategically. Send private messages to your first contacts. So after you've gotten those people in your realm, can actually send them a very customized message as a little digital handshake or a way to start collecting their information and seeing if they would be a good customer for you. You can also automatically endorse your contacts, which is very cool, and extract people's profiles and emails, which is a wonderful, wonderful tool as well. Automatically add a signature to all of your outgoing messages. Invite people from groups to become your connections, so you can go join specific groups within your niche market. Cancel pending invites if you have too many out that people have not responded to. And then you can actually even, go in here and get video tutorials and user manuals on how to use this. So it's a really, really powerful tool. But I'm going to show you one quick little feature and kind of how it works. And it's so, so cool. So let's say you want to collect and you want to grow your LinkedIn network, but you want to grow it with the right people. Okay. You don't want to grow it with your peers. You want to grow it with the right people. So all you're going to do is once you have the collect and select, you're going to say what you want to do is create a new list. Okay, so let's say that you want to go after people for listings who are getting a divorce, because oftentimes those people are actually forced to sell their property. So you're going to create a list called lawyers. Okay, then you're going to hit the collect contacts for invite. After that, you're just going to go to the general LinkedIn search page. Now, there's a couple other steps you have to take into account with this, okay? So what you want to do here is you're going after people in a specific location. So whatever city you happen to be located in. In this case, I'm going to select Austin, Texas. And then you can choose second and third level connections. You're going to hit apply. Then after that, you're simply going to hit all filters. And you're going to select industry, attorney. What kind of language you want their profile to be in. In this case, I'm going to select English. And then you're going to select apply. Now it should pull up. If it doesn't pull up people who are attorneys on this, you might want to change up your options just a little bit. So you're going to go to all filters. Go to law practice, apply, and there you go. Look, it's just pulled up a whole bunch of attorneys in the Austin, Texas area. Those are perfect people for you to connect with because guess what? Attorneys need real estate agents and they have clients that need real estate agents too. So what this is going to do is it's going to automatically fill out a message. Just a very, very simple message for you to look at. So we've already looked at connecting contacts for inviting. Then what we're going to do is it's already got a message preview on here. And all this is going to ask is, hey, please join my network. Okay? After that, all you have to do at that point is start profiles inviting. So you're going to collect, and this is going to go through literally page by page of collecting people's information on LinkedIn for you to connect with. And it will literally go page by page through every single page until it collects all of the data and all the information. So we're going to let this run for a little bit, and then when this is finished running, I'm going to show you how to invite. So in just a few minutes, this has already collected 230 people for me to invite. Literally in just a few minutes. So this is very, very, very powerful. It's a way to grow your LinkedIn network intentionally and quickly. After you've collected the people that you would like to invite to your network, you simply go to the invite section and hit Start Profiles Inviting. And then watch what it does. It automatically visits each profile for you, goes through the entire profile in and of itself, and sends a very personal connection to connect. And so in order that you don't get in trouble with LinkedIn, it times this so that you are not picked up by the algorithm. So it actually looks like an actual human being is going through these things and intentionally adding people to their LinkedIn network, which is a fantastic way for you to intentionally and very intelligently grow your LinkedIn connection base and begin communicating with the right professionals to grow your real estate business based on your niche. This is not limited to any niche. You can do this with just about any type of niche that you want, and then start sending some personalized message out using this software as well. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please give it a like or a love. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. Thanks very much and have a great day.